What is going on, everybody? It's Solo ETV, and as you guys see, we have a special guest here. Funderpro, Mr. CEO Gary is in the building, and I know you guys been asking me for some. Hey man, I just want to know what's going on with Funderpro. Is there anything? Why is it new? I mean, so he's here, and we got him here, and we're going to basically just talk to him and see what's going on with Funderpro and what the future holds for Funderpro and so forth. So, Mr. Gary, first and foremost, thank you for having
us. Very excited to be on the channel.
Really appreciate that. And I just want to first start off with Funderpro. What is Funderpro? I know a lot of people has been asking that.
Yeah, so I think Funderpro, we started, obviously, Funderpro is a prop firm. Prop firms within the industry, basically, we look for the best traders out there. We have a challenge, you take part in the challenge, and if you're a good trader and you're able to achieve the criteria, you get funded. And simple as that. Simple. I think where we're different is with Funderpro, you get real funds. And so I think compared to a lot of the market, it's quite a bit different, where you'll continue on a demo account even when you're funded in other firms. And the trades, you know, they said the trades go out to market and they get aggregated and so on. With those, we really like to align our interests with the trader's interests. And we believe that, you know, if we have real capital on a real trading account, then, you know, it's in our interest. Everybody knows it's in our interest to fight for the right conditions, the best conditions that we can for a trader. And, you know, that means getting as tight spreads as we can. That means, you know, making sure that even the supports from us as a company, we can get the best for our traders. So, you know, if the trader profits, we profit.
That's fire. I like that a lot. Now, one thing that got me, and I really like this with Funderpro, is I'm able to do unlimited trading days. Like, that's a bonus. I don't know if you can touch more on that, because I feel like a lot of traders don't really understand how important unlimited trading days is, because I can definitely express it on my end, but I just love to hear from the CEO, you know, exactly just the reasoning behind that. And I just truthfully feel like unlimited days is the best option to go. Seriously.
Yeah. So again, the way that we feel, you know, traders, the market's not always right to get in. You know, you've got a strategy, you've got an asset that you're trading on. It's not always going to be the right conditions. And so the longer we can give, the less pressure that we're putting on a trader, people can be consistent, you know, and they can take the risks that are worth taking and not just trying to rush because you only got 30 days to trade. So I think it just makes sense. It makes sense. We're trying to find good, consistent traders. If we're rushing people through the challenge phase, you know, we're getting the wrong incentives, you know.
I love that a lot about Funderpro, because I feel like, truthfully, for me personally, if I'm trading, I don't want to feel like I'm stuck on, I have to pass this in 30 days, or I have to pass this in 45 days. It's almost like still I'm working a 9-to-5 job. It's like, hey, if you coming in, you have no choice but to make sure you pass this in 30 days. If not, you're fired, you know? And it's like, I don't like that. And sometimes for instance, I went on vacation this weekend, and I went there because I just needed that mental relief. You know, sometimes you might have that in trading. Some days, some weeks, you may feel like mentally you're not there and you just want to just take a break from it. And the fact that I can do that with Funderpro, that's a bonus to me. That's one of my top number one reasons why I chose Funderpro, and why I truthfully feel like Funderpro is definitely, you know, best way to go for sure. And I do have a question too. So I have a student, right? And I had a few people that asked me this. Are you allowed to trade Funderpro outside of the USA?
Yeah. You can trade on Funderpro effectively from anywhere. So for us, yeah, it's worldwide. You know, we take people from everywhere.
Yeah, see, I love it. I love it. And then there's another thing that I noticed you guys integrated in Funderpro, which is Trade Locker. Now, I definitely would love for you to talk on Trade Locker, because I feel like this is going to be a new thing that's coming into the industry for sure.
Yeah, it's going to be huge. Yeah, look, I think anybody watching this channel, you know, everybody sees you, you're doing your charting on TradingView. That's the way people are trading now. People are looking at their charts, they're doing the TradingView, they've got their indicators program there, and then they're going into a different trading platform to place a trade. And with TradingView, it's just so smooth now. You're able to do your full TradingView charting within it and then do the execution there. And I think features are coming, every week they're progressing and adding new features. There's going to be trading on the chart now. There's going to be a lot of nice tools built over the next couple of months. So I think it's really going to take over the industry.
Wow, that's powerful. And I know that, like I said earlier, that's you guys are. I know we're in it super early, right? Which
Mm-hmm.
is a great thing, right? To get in it now, but I just know for sure, just the fact that trader lockers is the ability for you to trade right there instead of you having to go into somewhere else, then go somewhere else to take the trade, and then do this and then do that, do that. Just having that feature right there is by far my top tier feature right there.
Yeah.
Where you can get in
Uh,
and get out.
I think one of the things I like as well is that they're listening. They're listening to traders, real traders who are using
Mm,
it. And as you say, it's quite early on, but the community is really able to help build the product that the community wants. For the
yeah,
traders, it makes the most sense. Again, everybody's trading on TradingView. That's why TradingView charts are there. If everybody needs a certain feature, everybody's listening, and that those features are going to be built because it's a platform for traders, and they're looking to make the best experience. And then for in prop firms, again, it just all comes together because to effectively do your trades within Funderpro, uh, you know, it's the best to have the best trading engine
yeah,
there. Do your charts, get your trades, and
yeah.
get funded.
I like that. I like that a lot, man. Now I wanted to ask just some. These are typical questions I get, but I know as a trader, as me being a trader, this is the first thing. I got a few. One, payout. How often are we able to pay out with Funder Pro?
Yeah, so I think because Funderpro again is real funds, it's very different to a lot of the competitors out there where it's in our incentive to lock in a profit every week. So every week you lock in a profit, you get paid out that week. So if you make 20K this week, that gets locked in, you get your split, and then we start back again. It's good for us because we get paid as well each time, and it's
Yeah,
good for you. We're not like where another scenario where maybe they might be waiting for you to make a spike and then draw down a bit because then the payouts would be a bit less. We're happy to solidify payout because you guys get paid and we get paid. It's
I
perfect.
love it. I love that a lot. And I also seen that we're able to scale up to about 5 million, about
Yeah.
$5 million, if I'm not mistaken. Which I believe that's definitely something important too, scaling,
Yeah.
as me as a trader, I got a lot of different things I can say as far as being a consistent, profitable trader, but being having the ability to compound your account and
Hmm.
grow it slowly
Hmm.
and grow slowly and grow slowly, that's a big bonus right there. So the fact that we're able to do up to 5 million, that's huge. That's
Yeah.
definitely huge.
Yeah.
Well,
And
man, that's
I
cool.
can see that you're on the way to doing that too. You got your live
Yes,
funded account,
yes,
you're trading.
appreciate that. Doing what I can, I got to.
Yeah. No, it's
My
good.
biggest thing is teach what I preach, or preach
Yeah.
what I teach. And it's just vice versa. It's just kind of like whatever I'm teaching, I want to preach about it, but I want to make sure I'm also consistent on my end and handling and getting the job done too. That's my biggest thing.
Yeah.
Definitely my biggest thing.
Well, we're here to support you. You're
Appreciate that.
making profit for yourself. You're making profit for us. Everybody's winning.
Everybody's happy and everybody's winning. Can't go wrong.
No.
Well, guys, man, like I said, this if you guys have not tapped into Funder Pro, make sure you tap into Funder Pro. You do get a discount thanks to Funder Pro. You are able to get 20% off if you use the code Solo20. So definitely make sure you tap in if you haven't already. And other than that, guys, I will see you in my next video. Peace.